This is my Panasonic Lumix G7. This is a great camera. This is a Rode VideoMic Pro. This is a great microphone. It's also quite large. Now, when I go into places, I want to have good audio. So, I use this. Now, the reason I don't use just this is one horrible goddamned reason. Right here, and on this side, these are where the camera straps go. The audio sounds fine until I give it a shake. What I really want to be able to do is just take this camera as is and just take it out like this with no microphone, no tripod, just hold it so I can then fit it in my pocket if I really need to, and not have this stupid fucking jingling whenever I make too much of a movement. It's fucking annoying. Yeah, that ain't moving. Not much, probably. Hopefully. Alright, hopefully this is working well.